Hello, a few days ago I released a video on all extension in Linq. Now today you will see a video on any extension in Linq. So the idea is sort of the same but sort of the opposite of that. What all does, it checks for a statement and it checks for it to match in every item of the list. If every item of the list matches that statement, then it returns a sort of collective Boolean value, true. If at least one of them does not match that, then it returns false. Now, on the other hand, this arrangement will return true if any of the items match the statement, if any of the items are true in that statement. If all of them are false, then it returns collective false. But if any one of them is true, is matching, then it will return a collective true. So now let's take a look at how it works. And the way it works is quite simple. If we look right here, we have test model. Okay, we have test model, and we have a list of test models. Now each of them have val1 and val2, a couple of values in them. Okay, and as you can see in this arrangement, we have val1, 15, 9, and 15. And in our numbers any extension right here in this arrangement, we have val1 to match to 12. Okay, so this is our statement. If any of them match, then it will return true. But since none of them do, I will now run them and show you it returns false. You see, it is false because none of them do actually match. And say if I do, what was it, 9, okay, let's do 9, and I run it, val1 will now match in one of the items, and it will return a sort of a collective true, like that. So you see, this is how it works. It's the opposite of all, and all is the opposite of any. Quite a useful arrangement. Now, if you want to learn more about C#, do check out my C# course. Do also check out my other courses on the Confucian Solution Learning platform, where you can also find assignments which you can actually submit for my reviews. So you submit them and you get your response, you get your reviews, some comments in the code, and some general comments as well. Do subscribe to this channel and support this channel on Patreon.